Accordingly good, my name is Laura Mendoza. Introduction of the place. Santa Marta is an attractive place to vacation at an air charm of intense nightlife and exuberant landscapes. The city's beaches invite you to go dancing, relax and have fun with the refreshing breeze and the warm waters of the sea. The climate in Santa Marta is very pleasant since a tropical climate will allow you to enjoy its beaches and other charms. The temperature in Santa Marta during the year is 27 degrees and average. An audio applied to Jeet Tono Santa Marta, the restaurants, among other emblematic places of the city. Um, Duration of the trip. The trip will last 4 days and 3 nights, where the first day you can enjoy a wonderful tour of the city. The second day you can visit the beaches. If you decide to go cold and night, you can go to different bars or restaurants. If you want to relax a bit on the day, finally on the fourth day, go out for a drink photo and save your memories. Means of transportation. With you come from abroad, you can take a series of a plane. Airlines like American Airlines, JetBlue, Interjet, King, and Delta fly directly to Simon Bolivar International Airport in Santa Marta. With you are already in the country, you can take a flight with Avianca, Latam, Viva Air, or Wingo, and my others. You can also rent a car from cities like Barranquilla and Cartagena, with trips that will take to enter 2 and 4 hours. 2 and 4 hours. Getting around it is very easy, especially by taxi. The distances and stories routes are not very long. Activities to do. You can enjoy many activities. How to enjoy its beaches. Visit Tayrona National Natural Park. Visit the Historic Center from Santa Marta, where you can enjoy its attraction and historical importance. Its proximity to the Bay of Santa Marta and its perfect central location to move to any point of Santa Marta. You can also enter the Museum of Santa Marta. Some of them are the Traiona Gold Museum and the Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino Museum. Place Oeste. Oeste during the trip, there are very interesting options such as the Hotel El Reposo, the Boutique Hotel Bay, and the Real Hotel Santa Marta. Typical foods. The restaurant in Santa Marta. The restaurant in Santa Marta ranges from international cuisine to the most traditional. You can enjoy delicious drinks such as passion juice, fruit juice, Corozo juice, and Mispero juice, and the inevitable coffee. In the typical foods of Santa Marta, you count the calle, the fried fish with tostones and coconut rice. But um, the cost of the tourist packet is 111,000 Colombian pesos per person. We will do our information about the history of the city and we promise you you, you a good tour of the most famous places.